Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my step-by-step process how I made these Lamborghini photos look like this. So let's open the Lightroom and start the process. Okay, so we're gonna start with this photo right here. First, I'm gonna do the crop 4:3, and then we'll see if I need to do any alignments. Want it to be really centered. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Yep, kind of works, but I think do put it like that. Okay, that looks good. So now we're gonna go with exposure first. Let's see if we want a little bit more contrast. And we go to the blacks. Okay, all right, clarity, I think that's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove some things like this. Removed. Here's something as well. Okay, and then right here has reflection of the light that I don't like. See if we can remove that. Okay, let's see where else. This corner is a little bit bothering me as well. Let's get rid of that as well. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna focus on the car. I want to darken this window. As you can see, I can see a driver. So I'm gonna take a brush, and then we're gonna choose exposure. I'm gonna go here and see. Okay, and then I can still see if I wanna make it even more darker. Let's see, even blacks. There you go. Okay, that's good. Done. Now I'm gonna zoom in. Gonna remove some stuff like this. And this as well. And then also this reflection is bothering me. Okay. Okay. And then also this. Bring it back somewhere here. Let's see. Okay. And now I want to make sure that the highlights are more visible. So we're gonna take another brush and probably gonna do some contrast. Let's see if I can do a little bit of highlights down and just see what result it creates. Okay, so from now you can see, do I want them be more brighter? There you go, I like that. Now let's see what highlights do. I think I want them more like this. That's good. And now let's see the sign. Take another brush. I'm gonna do exposure, reduce exposure, paint over the sign. Got no blacks. So, then we're gonna go to, let me see, let's go to saturation to make the gold pop. Okay, done. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's so much better. Let's go to the green color and make sure it's brighter as it originally is. We have also red. Can also make the red pop a bit more. Yep. Okay. So now let's compare. Okay, I like already how the car is coming out, but now these balconies are too faded in my opinion, so we can do a few things. So let's try to do this first. Do a linear gradient. We're gonna put it all the way here, and we're gonna do reduce the exposure and also flat blacks. So now if I go lower, let's see what's the difference. Okay, so it is darker, but I think it's still too faded. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put another brush, select blacks, go to the blacks, put it down, and now just brush it over those lines. Okay, to the middle as well. And go to this first part as well. Okay. All right. Okay. Done. Let's see in comparison. Yes, I think that looks so much better. But right now, I really want the car to stand out. So I'm going to darken the bottom of the photo. So I'm gonna go again. Linear gradient. We're gonna apply it right here, and we're gonna do exposure down. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Also, I feel like this photo has like a greenish tone to it, so let me see if I play around with this a little bit. Do you want it warmer? Something like that. Okay. All right, so That's pretty cool, but I think I want to remove this light and also darken this spot. So I'm gonna go first to this headlight. Do this. Done. And then we're gonna go to this part. Take another brush. And yes, we're gonna do blacks and also exposure down and blacks. Let's see. Just paint it over. Alright, let's see what that looks like. I feel like I need to paint the whole section to make it more black, so let's go back to this. Have a bigger brush. Okay. Paint this over, and now gonna get another brush. Gonna do exposure. Gonna put it down and see if I can adjust the small line. Okay, I think that's fixed. So I think I'm almost done with this photo, but still I think I want to adjust this. I think it's a bit too bright for me, so I'm gonna go here, get another brush, gonna do exposure down, and let's paint it over. Paint it over. Okay. Oh, I like it actually darker, so I think do it one more layer here. So I think what I'm gonna do, done, and since light hits all these levels differently, I'm gonna get another brush for this part. Brush, exposure again. Let's see, paint it on this as well. All right, and then a last on top, another brush, exposure, it's a little bit less because it's already darker. All right, and go on top again. But this is too dark for me, so let's bring it back. Yeah, I think that matches. All right, and there you have it. I think that is final result. So you can see it's quite a difference, but it creates just more mysterious look for me, and yeah, I absolutely love it. So that's the end result. I hope you like these edits as much as I do. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.